Welcome to the StatTree video module for chi-square. To test whether there are differences between groups on some categorical variable, the Pearson one-way chi-square test would be appropriate. You will need two categorical variables in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, question number 2 regarding movie era has two nominal values and is a categorical variable. Demographic question A is also categorical with two nominal values. These will be the two variables we will use for our demonstration. To run the chi-square test for differences in Spyder, type in the following Python code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. If you've already saved your code, press on the File Open icon above the editor pane. Browse to the location of the Python script, then press Open. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Python will generate an output in the console window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is the significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find those significance figures here. As you can see, we have met our significance criteria for the Pearson chi-square test for differences. Here are your test results. You report this figure as well as the degree of freedom figure. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.